Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the exact text you want read aloud. Short sentences improve clarity. Open Instagram Reels or Stories and paste the text into the text field. This attaches words to on-screen timing. Once done, tap the text, select Text-to-Speech or the TTS sticker, and choose a voice. You're not just enabling audio, you're matching cadence to visuals, so the voice sounds intentional rather than robotic. This step sets the foundation for timing and tone later. Now refine how the speech lands. Pick voice style and tweak speed or pitch if Instagram exposes those controls. You should split longer copy into multiple text boxes. That gives you precise pauses and emphasis, so keywords hit with impact. Make sure to preview each segment, then use the timeline to trim clips and align each TTS block with scene changes. This ensures narration follows on-screen actions. If you want more variety, create separate clips for different tones. Finish by exporting a draft to your device and listening through headphones. This reveals mistimed breaths or mispronunciations. If the TTS stumbles on names or acronyms, edit text phonetically or add commas and dashes to nudge pronunciation and rhythm. Once corrected, re-upload and resync any split text. One key troubleshooting tip. If audio drops or voices disappear, clear the Instagram cache or toggle app permissions for microphone and storage. Then reapply the TTS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.